Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you the fuse box locations. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Now these vehicles have two fuse boxes. Main fuse box will be located under the front hood and secondary fuse box will be located just under the glove box in the passenger's cabin. Okay, so the first fuse box, just like I said, is under the front hood. It's very easy accessible. It's right here on the passenger side. Now to leave the cover, you will have three black tabs, one on each side. So pretty much what you want to do, just want to press onto each of the tabs and lift it up to unlock each of them. And once you do that, you'll be able to completely remove the cover. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a nice small fuse diagram. And here are all the fuses. Okay, now the second fuse box is located under the glove box. It's a bit harder to access it. You'll have to get yourself into awkward position. So it's gonna be just here under this cover, so you want to pull this cover kind of off. Okay, just like that, and up here you will have a fuse box and all the fuses. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.